Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this interior over here. That's a storeroom over here. So let's continue it. So first let's model this chair over here. So let's go into this. So first I'll just select this, I'll slightly shuffle it inside. Select the polygons over here. I'll just extrude it a bit up over here. Let's go into this view. Slightly just shuffle this up a bit. Now I can again go over here. I can select this edges over here and let's give connect over here. So I'll just put one connect over here. I'll go over here. I'll put one connect. So select the polygons over here and let's give bridge. So before I give bridge, I'll just give some segments over here if required. I'll click OK. So now I'll go into the vertices over here and I'll slightly give a bit. I'll slightly just shuffle this up. Again I will give the edges and let's give two connect over here. Shuffle this a bit down. Again push this up slightly. Select the polygons over here. So I'll just select this polygons over here and I'll give bridge over here. Again I'll go into the front view and I'll do the same over here. I'll slightly just shuffle this up. Again select this edges. Again go into the vertices. Slightly just push this down. Shuffle this over here and again select the polygons over here and let's give a bit of bridge over here. Select the vertices and push this up. Now I can just go over here again. I can again select this edges and I'll give a bit of segments again over here. Let's just drag this down. So select the polygons and let's give bridge. Select this polygons and let's give bridge over here. I'll just save the file once. So once you're done, now again I'll go over here and if you want I can put one loop over here. So let's put one swift loop over here. So I'll put one swift loop over here. Select the polygons over here. So select this polygons. So once you're done, you can again go into the extrude by local normal and slightly reduce this. That's it. And let's click OK. So again go into the side view over here. Select the vertices and you can slightly rotate it. So that is totally possible over here. That can be done over here. So we have one thing over here. So let's again take a box over here. Slightly just put one box over here. I'll slightly scale this and I'll rotate it. That's it. Now we also have a lamp over here. So what I can do over here, I can just start working with this lamp. So for that I can go into the front view over here. I can just take a line, I'll just off this auto grid over here. I can just drag this till here. I'll push it over here, and now I can go into this rendering, enabling viewport, and I'll slightly reduce its thickness if required. We can do that, and let's again take a cylinder over here. So let's take a cylinder over here. I can increase its sides over here. I can slightly increase its height. I'll reduce the height segments over here. That can be done. And now I can make this over here. How you can create it? You can even use a line tool over here for creation of this. So let's just take a line tool, allow this auto grid, allow this enabling viewport. I'll just slightly push this down, and I'll just click over here, and I'll take a modifier called a Lathe Modifier. So let's take a Lathe Modifier and let's make it as max over here. So once you're done, now I can just go into this line, go into the vertices. I can slightly just push this up, push it out, shuffle it up a bit. Looks much better. So again I can go into this, and we have an option called fillet. I can go into the fillet and I can slightly give a bit of fillet. I can give a fillet over here also. So that is totally possible over here. So once you are done over here, I can slightly just scale this over here, and I can rotate it. I can push this in the right area over here. Now what I can do over here, I can again select the vertices. I can slightly give again a bit of fillet over here. Can give a bit of fillet, very less, and slightly you can scale this, and let's give a shell modifier to give a bit of thickness to it. So after assigning a shell, I can slightly just reduce this and convert to editable poly over here. So that can be done. Now again I'll go over here. We have one more lamp right from the top. Let's model that. So I'll again go over here and I'll take a line tool right from the top till here. So I can take a line tool over here, and now I can again go over here. I'll slightly just shuffle this till here, and now again we'll go into this, take again a line tool, I'll off this enabling viewport, so again I can go into the modifier list and let's give a lathe modifier. Let's make it as max over here. Now into this again I'll go into the line. I'll activate this show end result, and I can slightly just push this a bit inside. Looks much better. So again go over here, take a fillet, and I'll slightly add a bit of fillet to it. I'll add a bit of fillet over here. I can add a fillet over here also. So that is possible. And now I'll just move this up till here. So go to the top view over here. Let's go to the top view and I'll arrange it to the center of it. We can do that. Alright. Now you can again go into this and let's give a shell modifier. So I can easily assign a shell modifier over here. I'll again go into this and I can slightly reduce the thickness of it. So you can easily reduce the thickness of it, and you can do that. So let's just, I'll save as it. So what I'll do, I'll save as this file once over here. That's it. Alright. Okay. So we have one more asset over here. So for that I can use a cone over here. So let's use a cone. So I can just use a cone over here. So if you want, you can easily shuffle this area a bit towards here. That's not a problem. That can be done. I can easily do that. We can easily shuffle this. I'll just exclude this slightly. You can shuffle it. Alright. So now again I'll go into this. I'll reduce its radius. So there are two radius 1 and radius 2. I can work with this radius over here. And I can increase its height segments, and if you want I can slightly give the details over here. I can easily assign the details. So I can just go into this, convert to editable poly. So select the polygons. Let's select this. And slightly give a bit of bevel by local normal. And slightly, very slightly you can reduce it. And let's click OK. So once you're done, and now again you can go over here, select this polygons, or you can just go over here, extrude it slightly, scale this, and just select this part and slightly extrude it by local normal. That's it. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.